Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust parking brake on Ram 1500 step by step. Park securely, engage the brake, chock wheels, and support the truck on jack stands. Crawl under carefully, locate the parking brake cable and adjuster, and inspect for corrosion or damage. I will walk you through loosening the lock nut, turning the adjuster to reduce slack, and testing pedal travel until the parking brake holds firmly. Start by showing where the cable runs from the handle or pedal to the rear brakes and identify the adjuster location. Use a flashlight and a mirror if visibility is limited, then clean any grime to see nuts clearly. I will describe how to access the adjuster without removing the drum in many cases, and when you should remove brake drums for better access or inspection. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and hit like so I can keep making useful walkthroughs. Quick recommendation: notice my comfy socks in the shots. Socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, a little comfort that makes under-vehicle work nicer. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. With the truck safely supported, loosen the lock nut and turn the adjuster a few clicks to take up slack while checking pedal travel. Tighten the lock nut, test the brake engagement, and make small repeat adjustments until the parking brake holds the truck on a slope. I will cover common signs of over-adjustment and when to replace cables or pads, keeping the instructions simple and safe for home mechanics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.